Hi guys, I am Shri. This is my first video on YouTube channel. From today I am going to upload videos related to fashion, makeup and hairstyle. अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Hit the bell button for the latest updated videos. एंड आप सब जानते ही हैं कि दसरा आने वाला है तो मेकअप तो बनता है, राइट? सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू मेक एन अमेजिंग मेकअप लुक फॉर दसरा. So let's not waste the time. Move on to the video. Using matte primer. If you have dry skin, then use hydrating primer for best results. Here is a tip. If you're using beauty blender, keep it under a running water and then squeeze it for beautiful finish. Here I'm using Colabar concealer palette. Here I'll be using orange color corrector to cover my dark pigmented areas. I'm using Sugar liquid foundation in the shade 40 Breathe. Take a little amount of it and apply over all your face. Here I'm applying compact powder of my shade. Don't forget to pick the foundation of your shade. If you want me to make a video on how to choose a right foundation, then comment me in the comment box. Add a bindi and then apply a little bit of blush. I am applying pink eyeshadow on my eyelid. Apply eyeliner and then mascara over your lashes. Now I am using Estee Lauder dark pink lipstick. It is very beautiful. Now it's time to the highlighter. Apply highlighter to the cheekbones and the places where you want to highlight. Add a setting spray for a long-lasting makeup. If you liked my today's makeup look, like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Happy Dussehra.